Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a medium toy. First, consider who the toy is for and what they enjoy. This helps narrow down your options significantly. Next, set a budget. Many quality medium toys fall within a range of $15 to $50. Finally, think about where you want to shop, whether it's from the comfort of your home or by exploring local stores. Once you have a clear idea, it's time to explore. Online stores offer vast selections and often provide detailed product descriptions and customer reviews. Alternatively, visiting a physical toy store allows you to see and touch the toys, ensuring they meet your expectations for size and quality. Don't forget to compare prices and features across different platforms to find the best deal. When you're ready to choose, focus on key aspects. Safety is paramount. Always check for certifications and age recommendations, especially for children under 3 years old. Look for durable construction that can handle enthusiastic play. Consider the toy's educational or developmental value, ensuring it offers more than just momentary fun. A good medium toy should provide lasting enjoyment. With your perfect medium toy selected, proceed to checkout. If shopping online, ensure your payment information is secure. In a store, enjoy the immediate gratification of taking your new toy home. The best part is seeing the joy it brings. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your new toy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.